We are now going to change a replaceable type membrane. We will first unassemble the electrode as described in earlier discussions. Do not try to change the membrane while the electrode is fully assembled. Unscrew the membrane cap and remove the old membrane. Use the included tweezers to remove the old membrane and to move the new membrane onto the electrode housing. Place the center of the membrane over the housing. Pull the excess membrane down over the sides of the membrane and screw the membrane cap back onto the housing. It is important to be careful not to touch the center of the membrane, as the oils on your skin could cause erroneous readings. Also, be sure to screw the cap all the way down until it meets the housing.